Hey guys, it's that time of year. Apples, pumpkins. So today we are gonna whip up a delicious apple martini that you are gonna flip for. And I have my beautiful assistant, Layla, who's back. It took a while to get her here, but she's here. So we're gonna start by making an apple infusion that's gonna go into these drinks. So we're gonna do some chopping. Start with 4 apples. So can you grab the blue pot?
I have to chop?
Yeah.
I'm not good with the knife.
So get yourself a pot, medium size, and don't worry about seeds, and you're just gonna slice the apple. So, in slices, Layla. Thin slices.
What if I cut my finger off?
You won't.
I'm not exactly skilled in the art of cutlery.
You got this, girl.
Oh yeah, this is just danger waiting to happen. Oh my god. I didn't come here to lose my life today. This is hard.
Piece of cake.
What about the stem?
Everything goes in.
Alright, this last one's not going to be as thin as we're. That's fine.
That's okay. Here's your next one. Look, it's quick with teamwork. Oh, Layla.
What? Is that rotten?
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah, doesn't look too good.
Oh yeah, there's like a spider web in there.
Yeah, see that? Okay, sink. Chop those. Okay, so apples, 4 apples sliced. I used Fuji. So 2 cups of filtered water.
Make sure it's filtered.
Can you grab me a spoon?
Yeah.
Kind of mix it.
You're only inviting me here to be your personal slave, girl. I feel really tapped right now.
I know.
Thanks for a good time.
Some cinnamon sticks. Okay, we're gonna put 3 cinnamon sticks in there. And we're gonna turn it on high. Okay, and we're also gonna put some dried ginger. 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried ginger. She's taking a picture. Hey!
Ginger me up and liquor me down.
And the last thing going in is 1 cup of honey. Would you like to?
Be my honor.
What a gal.
Oh yeah.
The next martinis we're gonna have to make are the espresso martinis.
Ooh. Yeah,
Good stuff. But these apple martinis are so good. I had one at Bonefish last year, and so I was just blown away and figured out how to make them, and the consensus was that mine were better. So
Damn right, take that Bonefish.
So 4 sliced Fuji apples, 2 cups of filtered water, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1/2 teaspoon of dried ginger, and 1 cup of honey.
Not sugar, honey.
Bring it to a boil, cook it 5 minutes, and then let it sit for 30.
Oh, what a beautiful aroma.
Doesn't it smell awesome in here?
It does smell really good.
Woo! These are gonna be good.
They're really cool.
Okay, so our infusion's done, and now we're gonna strain it. Use a fine mesh strainer, and do you wanna hold this steady for me, or do you wanna strain?
Oh yeah, I'll hold it.
Okay, so put that.
I'm scared.
I don't wanna burn you. I wouldn't.
This is dangerous.
Okay, so carefully strain, get help. Oop. Should I pull the apples out?
Nah, go for it.
Or should I just get a bigger bowl?
Yellow.
You think? Yeah.
Yellow. Sometimes you gotta get messy for the juice, people.
All right, so this is good in the fridge because obviously we're not gonna use it all today. That'll be good in the fridge for a week.
Or we could use it all today.
Maybe. Can you move that over? I have my mic on.
See what you invite me over now. Just as a slate club.
That's right. That's right, Layla. Ice it up.
I'm doing it.
Okay, so what do they call these? Is there a name for these?
Shaker.
A shaker. Okay, so get a shaker and fill it with ice. We're getting to the good part. We are getting there. Where's the vodka that was in here?
I put it on that plate.
Oh, the whole 2 ounces?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cute clappy. Good buddy. Good boy. Come on, Dolly.
Okay. So ice up your mixer, shaker, whatever.
Mom, it's a shaker.
2 ounces of vodka.
Or the
We got
whole thing.
Tito's. This is good stuff right here.
Or the whole thing. Just a little extra for good keeping.
She's my wild child, in case you haven't noticed.
Saint.
Oldest is 7. Craziest. 2 ounces of good apple juice, not the clear, light color. It's got to be good stuff like this Simply Apple, pure pressed.
Dark or nothing. All right.
And if time permits, you can let this cool. As you can see, it's steamy, but
Time doesn't permit today.
not today.
Doesn't.
And 1 ounce of the infusion.
All right, we're gonna eyeball.
That's the secret ingredient too. I mean, might as well go 2, huh?
You want this to be nice and vodka-y.
Okay, and then shake her up.
Yeah, I will.
Should I slow-mo this?
Shaken. That's good. Thank you.
Megan, are you gonna have one?
Yeah, she is. Yeah, girl. We're going on
Okay,
a
so we've
real
got our martini glasses in the freezer.
nice and frosty. Frosty. I'm not driving. Frosty.
So frosty glasses
Oh, we got
are a
frosty
must.
glasses.
Let's get this back here. Okay, so
And we're gonna dip these suckers in vodka.
yeah, explain what you're doing here.
And then we're gonna dip this sucker in some cinnamon sugar mixture.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Yeah.
line the
Cinnamon
rim.
My sugar. Don't say that. Line the rim. She knows now what she does.
Layla.
Mom.
I'm not to make the medicine go down.
God bless, I'm good at this.
What a bartender.
Yeah, I got it. A little
I mean,
bit
I
spice
prefer beer
here.
and wine, but when it comes to apple martinis, I'm in. Yeah?
Comes to anything I'm in, really. Doesn't nice. He drinks whiskey.
I am pretty excited
drinks a
about
vodka
these.
Drink. Drinks a lager drink. And there we have 4 perfectly frosted, cinnamon
Yummy.
sugar tipped martini glasses. It's time.
Look at
Do a
Dolly.
little day drinking. Watch closely.
Ooh,
You like what you see?
yeah.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
It makes 2.
That makes 2.
Okay, do it all over again.
Hold, please. Well, you know, wasn't preparing for an arm workout today. It's a little exhausting.
Win-win.
I don't know how bartenders do it.
Here you go. Oh yeah, ice first.
We do a splash for the homies. Life large. Why? You're the one I had to babysit the other night.
Is that?
Oh, these things are nifty.
Wow, look at this.
That was all she wrote.
That's how it's done
You
right
can
there.
garnish it with an apple if you're fancy. This is going right
Yeah.
down the hatch.
Yeah, apple garnish, cinnamon stick if you wish. But so we'll cheers and then we'll get picks outside of the other 2. Yeah.
Shut up, Clapton.
This one's got a low pour.
Good on Cindy.
Yummy. Wow.
Ooh. Yeah.
Those go down a little too easy.
All right, time to chug it.
Mm.
We'll be classy on the camera though. It's delicious. These are really good.
We're gonna close it out.
Wow, Mom. Someone's taking some big gulps there. Damn.
So I guess we're done here.
Yeah, I guess you are done here.
Sorry, we'd love to entertain all day, but duty calls. So remember that all my recipes are down below. Definitely make these. You're gonna love them. They are amazing.
Yeah, they are.
Thanks to Layla for helping.
Anytime
Bartender.
liquor's involved, I'll come calling.
Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.